The Zojirushi stainless mug is the ideal bottle for taking your favorite hot or cold beverage with you, wherever you go. This compact stainless mug comes in 12 and 16-ounce sizes and takes up minimal space while maximizing capacity. A variety of colors are available for you to choose from. These mugs are made using high-quality, durable 18-8 stainless steel and feature Zojirushi's superior vacuum insulation technology. By removing the air between the outer and inner layers of the stainless steel, heat is blocked from transferring through it, greatly minimizing the temperature change of your beverage. Drinks stay hot or cold for extended periods of time. The two-step flip-open lid helps prevent excess condensation on the stopper from being flung off while the lid opens, and an air vent in the mouthpiece which allows beverages to flow out smoothly. The lid covers the sipping area, keeping it sanitary. And when used properly, the lid lock and 3 gaskets help prevent leaks in your car or bag. Along with all of these features, the slick steel electropolished stainless steel interior is corrosion resistant and repels stains, and the wide mouth accommodates full-sized ice cubes. The mug's interior is easy to clean, as is the lid, which can be disassembled and washed. And all areas that come into contact with your beverage are BPA-free. Stylish and compact, the Zojirushi stainless mug is the perfect vessel for your favorite drink, hot or cold. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.